Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of smartphone videography with the Hohem iSteady XC Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. At a mere 259 grams, this 3-axis gimbal is a game-changer for creators on the move. The compact design, folding to the size of a smartphone, makes it incredibly portable, fitting right into your pocket for any adventure. What's impressive is its compatibility with almost all sizes of smartphones. The improved motor torques by 30% ensure that your phone stays securely in place, even if you're rocking a larger device. But it doesn't stop there. The addition of a magnetic fill light with 10-level adjustable brightness takes your shooting capabilities to a new level. Perfect for low-light scenarios, this fill light can be rotated 180 degrees, catering to both front and back cameras for a well-lit and clear shot. The upgraded stabilization system, iSteady 7.0 algorithm, is a game-changer. It elevates your smartphone footage with smooth, on-the-move shots effortlessly. With a 30% improvement in anti-shake performance over the previous generation and more powerful motors, this gimbal operates efficiently, ensuring your videos are nothing short of cinematic. One nifty feature is the quick roll switch, allowing you to seamlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes with just the press of the function button. This adds a dynamic element to your shots without any hassle. In summary, the Hohem iSteady XC Kit Gimbal Stabilizer is a lightweight powerhouse for smartphone videography. Its compact design, compatibility, magnetic fill light, upgraded stabilization, and quick roll switch make it a must-have for content creators on the go. Elevate your videos and unleash your smartphone's cinematic potential with the Hohem iSteady XC Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.